So the first question is the volume of anatomical dead space air is normally. So the correct answer is option D, that is 150 ml. And the next question is tetradynamous condition is found in. So the correct answer is option D, that is Brassica compactris. And the next question is yeast is not included in the protozoans but in fungi because. So the correct answer is option B, that is it shows saprotropic mode of nutrition. And the next question is a secondary growth proceeds in a dicot stem, the thickness of. So the correct answer is option B, that is heartwood increases. Which of the following represents the action of insulin? So the correct answer is option B, that is decreases blood glucose level by forming glycogen. In a standard ECG, which of the following alphabets is correct representation of respective activity of the human heart? The correct answer is option C, that is P depolarization of the arteria. And the next question is which of the following vitamins is anti-hemorrhagic? So the correct answer is option D, that is vitamin K. And next question is which of the following is not a character of the cancerous cell in our body? So the correct answer is option A, that is contact inhibition. And the next question is wine and beers are produced directly by fermentation, whereas brandy and whiskey require both fermentation and distillation. This is because. So the correct answer is option D, that is distillation purifies the beverage. Which of the following pairs of hormone can easily pass through the cell membrane and bind to the receptor inside, mostly in the nucleus? So the correct answer is option D, that is cortisol and testosterone. Given figure and select the correct option. So the correct answer is option A, that is neutrophil phagocytic cell which destroy foreign organism entering the body. And the next question is which antibody has bactericidal effect? So the correct answer is option B, that is penicillin. And the next question is which of the following statement is not true? So the correct answer is option D, the biodiversity of bryophytes is greater than that of angiosperm. And the next question is which of the following option consists of non-essential amino acids only? So the correct answer is option B, that is glycine, serine, proline, glutamic acid. Photochemical smog formed in congested metropolitan cities mainly consist of. So the correct answer is option A, that is ozone, peroxyalkyl nitrate and NOx, that is oxide of nitrogen. Cloning of cattle, a fertilized egg is taken out of mother's womb, and so the correct answer is option A. And the next question is choose the correctly matched pair from the following. So the correct answer is option A, that is gonorrhea, hepatitis B or sexual transmitted disease. And the next question is select the correct statement about hormones and their action. So the correct answer is option B, that is insulin and glucagon helps to maintain the blood sugar level. And the next question is select the correct sequence of Homo erectus. So the correct answer is option A, that is erectus, Homo, primata, chordata and animal. Select the correct option regarding A, B, C. So the correct answer is option C, that is C-F-actin polymer of monomeric G-actin helically bound to each other. DNA and RNA comprises of. So the correct answer is option A, that is sugar, phosphate and base. And the next question is choose the correct pair. So the correct answer is option B, that is honeybee, rotiferas, parthenogenesis. And the next question is which of the following associations shows mutualism? So the correct answer is option A, that is fig and wasp. And the next question is select the incorrect statement. So the correct answer is option D, that is liver fluke has a complete alimentary canal. Many haploid nuclei are present in a mature pollen grain. So the correct answer is option B, that is 2. Vernalization is subjected to plants growing in. So the correct answer is option C, that is temperate areas. And the next question is match column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct option from below. So the correct answer is option A, that is marginal placentation in pea, axial placentation in lemon, parietal placentation in mustard and basal placentation in sunflower. And the next question is plant do not get benefit from. So the correct answer is option D, that is ozone in air. And the next question is clonal are prepared by. So the correct answer is option C, that is micropropagation. Which of the following genes do not occur naturally in living organism? So the correct answer is option D, that is endogenous cytoplasmic defense gene. Which is the longest phase of the cell cycle? So the correct answer is option B, that is interphase. And the next question is the total number of biodiversity hotspot in the world are? So the correct answer is option B, that is 34. The next question is which of the following occurs due to the monosomy of sex chromosome? So the correct answer is option B, that is Turner syndrome. The next question is during menstrual cycle level of LH and estrogen are highest around? So the correct answer is option A, that is 14th day. The following are group of micronutrients for plants. So the correct answer is option A, that is iron, magnesium, copper, molybdenum and zinc contain DNA. So the correct answer is option A, that is 1 and 2, mitochondria and chloroplast. And the next question is carbon dioxide diffuses into the blood from tissue site and passes to alveolar site in the form of? So the correct answer is option A, that is bicarbonate, 70%. And the next question is chromatin is made up of? So the correct answer is option C, that is DNA, RNA and protein. And the next question is which of the following plant growth regulator promotes root initiation, flowering and induce parthenocarpy? So the correct answer is option B, that is oxygen. Which of the following is a secondary pollutants? So the correct answer is option C, that is pyroxyl acyl nitrate or PAN. Which of the following is true for excretion in humans? So the correct answer is option C, that is on an average 20 to 30 gram of urea is excreted out per day. And the next question is which of the following is not true for inbreeding? So the correct answer is option B, that is it always increases the productivity. And the next question is which of the following is correct match without exception in regard to plant classification? So the correct answer is option A, that is family Poaceae. And the next question is what is the oxidation state of iron in hemoglobin? So the correct answer is option B, that is Fe2 positive. Select the correct pair among the following. So the correct answer is option B, that is autumn wood, dark color, high dense. Genetically modified crops can be produced by? So the correct answer is option A, that is recombinant DNA technology. And the next question is which of the following is a palindromic sequence? So the correct answer is option C. And the next question is C4 plants have better productivity because? So the correct answer is option C, that is C4 plants does not carry photorespiration. And the next question is which of the following microbes is correctly paired with its function? So the correct answer is option D, that is methanogenic bacteria gobar gas production. And the last question is which of the following gastric secretion is correctly matched with its source? So the correct answer is option A, that is pepsin chief cell. So thank you, God bless you.